Okay, guys, and we're back.
We are family.
Dead. Oh, dang it.
Killed your family.
What? Not yet. I mean, I brought you back with a Ouija board.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Did you forget that happened?
I had. Look, it's not like I want to remember.
You didn't want to remember the death's sweet embrace?
Look, it's not sweet if you have to go play Monopoly. We went over this.
Yeah?
Times Square.
Times Square.
Times Square.
Is that a Monopoly joke?
It's a spot in Monopoly.
Oh. I mean, it's also New York.
I know it's New York.
Oh, goodness. That's a lot of dudes.
And the owner of Times Square just wouldn't get away from me. He had so much of the board. He had like 53 pick spaces.
Ah, dang it. I'm almost out of rockets and I just wasted one.
That's fine.
These guys suck. There's like no good levels. Except for the rocket one.
You have one rocket left.
Yeah, I know.
You have no rockets left.
I know! And they don't give you a sniper rifle in this game.
In this game? Are you saying there is a sniper rifle?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, you killed him.
I mean, there's
still more.
Yeah, there are. Over there. Over there. Over there. Over there. Over there. And we're not coming back to the Oh, come on!
Hide.
Yeah,
You're an idiot.
shut up. Things are very intense right now.
I can see that.
Like a circus fire.
Circus fire.
Yeah, it's intense.
Oh,
Rockets!
I have to go. Great, you have 2 rockets. You have 1 rocket.
Well, you know, it takes 4 to kill that. So I don't really know what I'm going to do here.
You have a machine gun.
I don't think it reaches.
You have the boxing
Mr.
glove.
Sneeches. How do you expect me to punch a ship? Tell me that.
It doesn't matter, you have the boxing
Oh,
glove.
good. There's more dudes over there. Alright.
Just go, can't you just buy more wet ammo, like, wherever?
Yeah. But they cost 100 bolts each.
Who cares?
That's a good point. I don't need to be conservative. This is all I'm doing. Did one of them miss?
Yes.
2 of them missed. What? Great.
That sucks.
Yeah, especially since they're not supposed to do that.
There's another one.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put for him to fly back over here.
You.
Oh no, he's shooting at me.
Oh, I thought you died.
I'm about to go to the upper room.
Okay. You have 1 health.
I need concentration.
Okay.
Because they're not giving me any more.
Alright, guys.
Everybody raise your hands and give me your spirit.
Do you believe in the heart of the cards?
You believe in life after love?
What?
Believe in life after love. You know that song?
No, I don't know that song.
Then never mind. Oh goodness. Oh!
So no,
Ooh.
I do not believe in life after love.
Well, what's love got to do with this?
Shut up. Play your game.
I'm trying. It's hard. Oh crap. Well, you heard that one.
I know I've heard that one. I think that one is.
How? You have the green arrow. Why? Because they're locked onto the stupid frog.
Oh, it's one of those ships.
Yeah, I know.
Here we go.
You can buy more ammo.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Whoa, whoa. got to do with it. Now it's stuck in my head. Look what you done.
You're welcome.
Thank you. It didn't die.
Yeah, I see that. That's a pretty big jump.
I think you've made larger. There you go.
Yeah. Rocket.
I forgot that Clank was a character in this game.
Really? Because you're staring at him half the time.
It's just kind of awkward that he's just sitting there. He doesn't even have like short talks or anything. He's just.
I mean, Ratchet
there.
doesn't say anything either.
I know, and that's just weird. Like if I was being carried on someone's back, I would want to have a conversation.
I mean, I don't. Do I have to use all of these? Yes.
That didn't seem that hard.
Because I got lucky. Like, you're not the one solid. And when I do it like that, it makes them seem really easy.
You just murdered that frog with that frog.
That's kind of messed up if you think about it. I murdered a frog with a frog. Oh, goodness.
What?
There.
Whoa!
Is there nothing else to do here? Oh, I guess I have to go that way. Alright.
How many rockets do you have?
12.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I've been getting them. Dang it.
You idiot.
Wait, what happened to that one? Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, we'll just waste 3 rockets because this game threw an invisible wall at me. It's fine. I don't care. Dead.
Oh, it's one of those ships.
Oh, so it is.
Alright, here we go. Get about to go down to 1.
I thought this is such a waste of ammo. Oh, goodness.
What?
That was a hole.
Oh.
I almost walked right in it. Like, why is there just... Who just puts a hole right there? Oh, okay.
I don't know. There's a random hole in this giant whale that you go to in Xenoblade 2.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Granted, there is a slide that you can go into it that leads into it.
Uh-huh.
And it's not a death area.
Why is there just a hole in the whale?
That's what I asked. Like, I even had to text Kyle about this. Like, hey, Kyle, what's the deal with the hole?
That's a lot. That's a lot of things I don't want to have to deal with.
Are you gonna have to?
No. Is that me? Yeah, I'll just go this way. And not deal with them.
Well, alright then.
Or wait, did I come from this way? Dang it, which was the way I came from? Oh, wait, I can put the water in here.
Oh, I forgot you were carrying water. Oh yeah, this chair squeaks.
Yeah, it does.
Guys, don't be alarmed. I'm moving around.
Yeah, I just came up. Oh, hey.
What's wrong?
You see what that is?
That is a hole.
Oh, don't you remember what this does?
I don't remember.
It was on the other planet.
I'm trying.
Alright. It's one of these.
Oh.
Yeah. And now I don't have to fight all those other things.
Hey.
Hey, guys.
Hey, I remember that Clank's in the game now.
Yeah?
This makes this a lot easier.
Yeah, you crazy? I wasn't about to go out there with all those enemies.
They are doing no damage to you.
Well, they're not supposed to.
There we go. Oh, it's adorable.
Alright. It's time.
Are we about to have a boss? Oh, you're about to grind.
No.
Are we about to have a boss battle as Clank?
Yeah.
What?
After all the trouble you've gone through, you're about to die right where you started. It's so poetic.
This is it, Clank.
Kind of
Let's
dark.
get him.
Yeah. Because, you just have to spam. There's no strategy here. Also have to get down one
You
bar.
might have been useful to me after all. Too bad you chose the wrong side.
Well.
And now it matters.
Oh no.
Yeah, because now we have to fight that as this.
Aww.
I know. At least I give you the box.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah. Well, I need all of them. Let's go ahead and max out. I probably won't even need that.
Max out the boxing glove ammo.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Done.
So you're gonna beat this boss with the boxing glove, right?
I'm not going to use the boxing glove, sir.
But you have to.
No, I don't.
You have to beat the final boss with the boxing glove.
It won't happen.
Is this the final boss?
Yeah. Yeah, we're at the end. It is time.
Okay, that's what I thought. It seems very final bossy. You have to beat him with the boxing glove.
Look. Fight you.
You have to do it.
Fight you.
It's important.
Oh, goodness.
Jeez. You can move while shooting.
Yeah, but I can't lock on and move off you. You see how like, there's a target on him?
Yeah.
Like, if you,
It's kind of a lock on.
I'm still kind of running at him, and that's why it's doing it. Like, if I wanted to run to the side, I couldn't do it.
Oh.
But they do give you a way to do it.
So
and,
you can't strafe.
Right. I wasn't sure if you were aware what that word meant. But yes, that is exactly what I mean.
You think so little of me.
Well, I don't know what games or things you might know of to where that's a thing.
I know what strafing is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Technically, you still can do it in this game. It's just not very good. So, it's not worth doing. Oh, goodness.
Ooh, you got it.
Oh, I didn't start this battle with full health. May have should have killed myself.
That's fine.
Mines.
If you died right now, would you still?
I can suck it up.
Would you have to play the Clank part again?
No.
You don't know.
I don't think so. I don't know. I wish I could buy health. Let's just go.
It's fine. You got this.
Oh, I did like no damage. Ah, come into the mines.
Alright. I feel like the mines are gonna do a lot of damage.
They did.
Yeah.
They did. Huh, I need to remember those do that.
Oh, that's good. Alright. Here come mines. I think he's about to do his AoE blast.
Yeah.
Yeah, no progress. Okay, that's the AoE blast.
I knew it was coming, I still couldn't get over it. Okay, so I didn't have to do that.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna have to buy more ammo again. Yay!
That's fine. You have full health now.
Yeah, but the problem is, I can't do this forever.
Get your machine gun ammo. At least there's only one bolt to pop.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
nice one.
I'm thinking about trying to buy one of these other guns to help give me an edge, but none of these will help.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Like, because they're all too slow, or like they don't go in the air.
That's fine. You got it. Alright. Here we are. You can't even lock on either, because he'll get you.
What is the button to do the
What are you trying to do?
thing? Like, this is like the game's idea for strafing, and it just doesn't work.
It's still good.
It's so annoying. Like, just don't do damage to this man.
Let's see that. Are we gonna keep going till this boss is finished?
No. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna die again. So I'll.
Let's
oh,
go
goodness.
till you die next.
Alright. I looked off the screen at the time.
Next episode.
Yeah, next episode we're gonna beat the game. So yeah, until next time, you guys.